Hello, my dear student. How are you? Hope that all of you are fine. I am also fine. I am Saiful Islam, lecturer of mathematics, Milestone College. Welcome all of you to my online class. Today, I will discuss about some construction of your general math of exercise 7. So let's start our class. Student, please take your book and open your book. Open your book, page number 156, construction number 4. At first I will discuss construction number 4. Two diagonals and an included angle between them of a parallelogram are given. Construct the parallelogram. We will construct a parallelogram. At first we should notice that what it has given. It has given two diagonals and they are including angle. So let's start the construction. Look, say the diagonal 1, this is diagonal 1, D1, and this is diagonal 2, D2. You say A, B, you can take X, Y as you wish, but I give the name D1, D2 as they are diagonal. Now look, the diagonals of the parallelogram are not equal. The diagonals of the parallelogram are not equal. So when you draw these two diagonals, notice that they are not be equal. One you take small, then other. I have taken this one smaller and this one bigger. And this is the included angle between these two diagonals. Now we will construct the parallelograms. At first, we take a ray. We take a ray BE. At first, we take a ray BE. As I say that any construction you start from a ray. Now, on the ray BE, we take D equal to D2 equal to BD. BD is equal to D2. This is D2. Now, we know the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So, we need to bisect BD because another diagonal will go through the midpoint of BD. So we need to bisect BD. How you bisect? I think all of you know how to bisect a line. But I will show it again. Look. With center in B, with the radius more than half of BD or equal to BD, we draw two arcs in the above and below of the line BD. Again, with center in D, with the same radius, we draw more two arcs. We start the previous arc at 2 points. You can give the points name PQ. But I didn't write any point over there because when you write the state, no need to mention how to you bisect it. You need just say bisect it. Okay, now join these 2 points. If I join these 2 points, so it will be the midpoint. Say this is O. This is O. So O is the midpoint of BD. O is the midpoint of BD. Now, at the point O, with the line BO, we draw the angle X. Again, at the point O, with the line BO, we draw an angle BOF. BOF equal to X. And you know how to draw an angle equal to an angle. But I'll show it again. Look, just with any radius draw an arc over there. here also with centering O, with that radius we draw an arc with that radius. Now take the measurement of these two distance, 2 points. Okay. Now with centering this point we draw it. Now join these two lines, we will get our required angle. This is angle BOA. Now expand this line up to G in the opposite of BOA. We will expand the line OA up to G in the opposite of OA. So this is OG. Now look, we will take the diagonal D1 from the line AG. But earlier I have told the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. So we need to bisect diagonal 1. We need to bisect diagonal 1. Already I have shown how to bisect the diagonal. Look again. So if I join this, it may be like this. So this portion is half of D1. This portion is half of D1. Now from the ray OA, we will take half of D1. That is like this. Half of D1. OA equal to half of D1. Again from the ray OC, we take half of D1 equal to OC. Now we will add AB, BC, CD and AD. After that it become a parallelogram. Now join AB, CD, again AD, look, ABCD is the parallelogram. Look, BD is diagonal 2 and AC is diagonal 1 and this is their include angle X. So ABC is the required parallelogram. We have proved it. Now I will discuss construction 5. My dear student, now construction 5. Two diagonals and a side of a parallelogram are given. Construct the parallelogram. Two diagonals and a side are given. We will construct the parallelogram. Now just look again. It has no measurement, no fixed measurement. So we can take any measurement for the diagonals and also the side. But keep it in your mind that diagonals must not be equal. Diagonal must not be equal. One diagonal should be smaller than other. And another thing you should notice that side also should be smaller than the smaller diagonal. Side should be smaller than the smallest diagonal. Okay, look at the board. Say this is diagonal 1 and this is diagonal 2. I have taken diagonal 1 is smaller than diagonal 2 and this is one side of the parallelogram and this side is must be smaller than the smaller diagonal B1. When you draw this, you must draw like this. But when you give the measure, it will be give the measure at that process. So no need to think that time. Now, how do you construct the parallelogram? By using these three information, I will show it. At first, we need to bisect the diagonal. We we need to bisect the diagonal as per we know that the diagonal of the diagonal of the parallelogram bisect each other. So we need to bisect D1 and D2. Just now I have told how to bisect the line, and I think all of you know how to bisect the line. Now look at the board. Now join this. Already I have bisect the diagonals. So this portion is half of D1 diagonal 1, and this portion is half of diagonal 2. Now from any ray BE, from any ray BE, we take A equal to BC. We take A equal to BC. This is BC equal to A. Now with center in B, with the half of D1, that is diagonal 1, we will draw an arc. Look, half of D1, with center in B, we will draw an arc. Now, with center in C, with the radius half of D2, they cut each other at a point. Say this is O. This is O. Now join BO and CO. Join BO and expand it up to F. Expand it up to F. Again, join OC and expand it up to G. Now from OF, we will take half of D1 again. This is half of D1. So if I take more half of D1 over there, it becomes diagonal 1. This is half of diagonal 2. Half of diagonal 2. If I take more half of diagonal 2 from OG, it becomes diagonal 2. So take half of D1 from OF and take half of D2 from OG. So this is OA and this is OD. Again, from OF we take half of D1 equal to OD, and from OG we take half of D2 equal to OA. So it becomes diagonal 2 and it becomes diagonal 1. Now we join AB, CD and AD. So student, look, A, B, C, D the required parallelogram. Since AC is diagonal 1 and BB is diagonal 2 and BC is a side of the parallelogram. Now I will show you example 3 of your general math books. Now my dear student, let's start example 3 of your book, page number 158. 158 number page, example 3. At first I read out the question. The parallel sides and two angles included with the larger side of the trapezium are given. Construct the trapezium. Now we will construct our trapezium. Now we should notice that what it has given. It has given two parallel sides of the trapezium and two included angle of the larger side of the trapezium. We will construct the trapezium. Now see how I construct the trapezium. Look, it is given A, B, two parallel sides. We know the parallel sides of the trapezium are not equal. It must be unequal. So one we will take larger and another one will take more than smaller of the larger one. So I take A as a larger one and B is the smaller one. And angle X and Y are the included angle of larger sides A. Now from any ray BE, we take BC equal to A. This is BC equal to BC equal to A. BC equal to. Now at the point B, we draw an angle CBF equal to angle X. Again I repeat that at the point B with the line BC, we draw a angle CBF equal to angle X. So I think you know how to draw an angle equal to an angle. Now I join it. This is CBF angle. Now again at the point C, we draw an angle BCG is equal to angle Y. We draw an angle BCG equal to Y at the point C. Look, in which side we will draw the angle? With the line BC or with the ray CE? We will draw the angle with the line BC, I mean in this side. Now join this. This is BCG equal to Y. Now almost we have completed. We need another side. We got already three sides. We need another side. That one is the parallel to BC. So we can draw a parallel line over there. But what will be the height? We don't know. It is not given the height. Now you should take BH is equal to B from the line BC. Look, from the line BC, we take B is equal to BH. This is equal to B. I mean the smaller side of the parallel sides. Now at the point H, we draw a parallel line of BA. At the point H, we draw a parallel line HD equal to parallel to BA. How do you make a line parallel to each other? you should draw the corresponding angle or the alternative angle equal, then it become parallel to each other. Now here I will draw the corresponding angle. Corresponding angle equal, it become a parallel line to each other. So to draw the corresponding angle, look, now join this. This is edge D. Edge D is parallel to BA. Now we got the height. D is the height, another vertex of the trapezium. Now with D, at the point D, we draw a parallel line AD equal to BC. We draw a parallel line equal to BC. Or another things you can draw, that you take the measurement of A, that is measurement of B, that is BH. You take the measurement of BH, that is B, and center with D. You draw an arc over there. With centering D, with the radius of B, you draw an arc which cut the line BF at A. Now join A, D. You will get the another side. So A, B, C, D is our required trapezium. I repeat how you draw the line A, D. Again, there is two process. You may draw a parallel line AD to BC. How can you make parallel? If you draw these two angle, corresponding angle equal, it become parallel to each other automatically. Another process, with centering D, with the radius B, you draw an arc over there. You draw an arc over there, which cut the line BF at A. Now join AD. So ABCD is our trapezium. Now I prove how ABCD is our required trapezium. Look, BC is the greater side and AD is the smaller parallel sides, and these two are the included angle of the greater side. So ABCD is our required trapezium. So my dear student, hope that you have understood. If you have any question, any problem, you must share it with your subject teacher. And stay safe, stay home, don't go outside. If you go outside, you must wear the mask. And please pray for each other. May Allah keep us safe from this epidemic situation. Allah Hafiz.